Well, a major snowstorm threw a wrench in the post-Thanksgiving commute for millions of Americans as more snow and bitter cold temperatures continue in parts of the Northeast and the Midwest.
CBS's Naomi Ruckham shows us the rough conditions as the winter now takes hold.
Several feet of snow blanketed parts of the country this Thanksgiving weekend, complicating an already congested commute for millions.
Let's just say I had to plow my own driveway with my car, but maybe like 24 inches. It's up there. My other cars are all glued in.
Nearly 2 feet fell in parts of Ohio, Michigan, and New York, with snow falling as fast as 3 inches an hour in some spots. In Buffalo, die-hard Bills fans braved the storm for their team, despite some saying it was the worst game day snow they'd ever seen.
We take a lot of pride in coming out and dealing with the elements, and when we get snow, it just fires us up even more.
The severe weather hit as nearly 80 million Americans traveled at least 50 miles from home this holiday weekend, including a record more than 5 million people hitting the skies. Outside D.C.'s Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, traffic backed up for nearly a mile. Some travelers waited 2 hours, bumper to bumper. Others hopped out of their cars and ran.
It's insane. Yeah, I literally just got off the taxi. I was there for 20 minutes or so in standstill and was up to like $30. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not racking up a $500 bill.
And though the holiday rush takes a brief pause until Christmas, forecasters anticipate more snow and even colder weather in the days ahead. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News.